What's up, guys? Who dish?
It's OG Taco food.
That's a funny name. We're doing something a little different on today's video, guys. We're hanging out on the south side. Yeah, I finally got out of the garage, decided to do something different. So Taco convinced me and old Chris. He might not ever work on the truck, but he'll come out and go jack around. So
I work on the truck. Matt just don't record me. You don't record me working.
That's right. I edit out the parts where Chris works on the truck. He paid me $10 to say that, but anyways, guys, we're hanging out.
You know how rappers have ghost riders? He's the ghost builder.
The ghost mechanic? No fucking.
He's the one that does all the work while everybody's sleeping.
Yeah, exactly.
But anyways, we're hanging out with Taco's homie Mike. He got the Borracho mix.
Yes, sir. Over here, all the way from Dallas, Texas.
Dallas, Texas, baby. And by the way, he got a whole lot of cool shit. I don't know. I'm into like the little quirky merch like this, like the cool keychains. Got the little baby bottle with the drink in it. Got it all. Got the candies, got the air fresheners. But he swang through town, and him and Taco linked up a long time ago, so they're hanging out, spending some time before he's got to skip town and get back on the road.
Yes, sir. This is a micheladas that I sell right here, guys.
Ooh.
Borracho michelada mix, all the way from good old Dallas, Texas.
What flavors you got?
Cucumber, lime, shrimp, mango, tamarindo, original, and pickle. Pickles that you need. Yes, sir.
So I'll definitely drop some links to check his stuff out in the description, so if y'all are into that, y'all can check it out. Ooh. We got all cultures out here, baby. But yeah, guys, we're just hanging out while we're here. Apparently this is the spot. It's a little early. We got posted up and got a good little spot early, so hopefully it'll pack in here in a little bit. And I'll take some videos of some of the sick rides that come through here and give y'all a little change of content, give y'all a little look at the Southside OKC scene on Sundays. Hell yeah. Hey, but when he stops and it idles, it don't sound can. It's a ghost can. Boy! Can, baby.
Super clean. Another thing I've noticed is a lot of the gas guys are making bang, bro, because I see a lot of dudes with the decals on them. And you know that if you buy a decal, you get into that drawing for that truck. So, soon, brother, soon.
You just think that makes sense. This one.
these are like the chamoy, like these. Alright. Okay.
Julian? Solo Robert. You have to do shit like that.
Hey Mike, what happens when you do a pinche burnout in the
Why
fucking
do they
spot,
fucking-
bro? What happens?
5-0 rolls up deep, man.
Rolls up deeper than a mother boy. That's why you can't be doing fucking burnouts in the spot.
I didn't even get a chance to do my burnout, bro.
Yeah, he didn't. Man, he didn't even get to do his burnout. Damn it. Yeah, there you go. But yeah, guys, that's it. I tried to do a little bit different. I know the whole video is pretty much B-roll, it's just vehicles driving by, but we decided to do something a little different. Come out on a Sunday night, check out where Taco's always hanging out on a Sunday night, and this is it.
Oh shit.
Bet your ass, bro. They tell you not to do burnout. If they'd have never done a burnout, we'd have never got with, but CK Maka is a culture, and they come out here and
Wait, who's the guilty one? Who's the guilty one?
He's over there.
yeah,
Make sure you record the truck.
the black truck.
He probably got arrested. I don't know why they keep him there that long.
Yeah.
But he's the one that got caught. The
Yeah.
guy that was burning out left.
Yeah, it was kind of sucks because another truck did a fat burnout, and then this homeboy came up behind him and went to do a little baby burnout, and right then is when the cop pulled up, so he got busted for the burnout. It sucks, but it's the name of the game, baby. So that's it for this one. Leave a like, leave a comment if you like this kind of video, something different. Thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down if you're annoyed at the police siren. And as always, be sure to share, tell a friend, like, subscribe, leave a comment. And oh yeah, go check out the build, man. I know y'all ain't all caught up. Y'all been skipping around, not watching every video. You gotta catch up.
Damn.
But
He just hit him.
yeah, he did.
What the fuck's he doing?
God damn it, boy. Yeah, that's it for this one, guys. Peace out. We'll see you later.
He hit him?
Yeah.